everybody, back with another Amazon review video. I got this seat and it worked well. I was able to sit on it and it was quite comfortable for how small it is. However, it's very confusing the way it's set up. There's a lot of moving pieces. Kind of has that tent pole design. But now I was trying to fold it up and it's just completely disassembled and I don't know how to put it back together. So I don't know if I would recommend this due to the difficulty in setting up and taking down.